Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are happy and healthy. A very warm welcome to Senior KG class. I am your Prerna ma'am. In your last session, you have learned CH words and today we will learn SH words. But before starting SH words, let's do a quick recap of CH words.
CH words. Chair, 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 chair. Chain, 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 chain. Cheese, CHEESE, cheese. Cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Chalk, CHALK, chalk.
Now we will do SH words. This is S. The sound of S is S. And this is H. The sound of H is H. And together they become sh. Together they become sh.
I am S and my sound is S. I am H and my sound is H. And together we become sh. Together we become sh. When two sounds come together and make a single sound, it is called digraph. It is called digraph.
Now let's see some pictures related to SH words.
SH words. Ship, sh-e-p, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Ship is a large boat which is used for traveling on water. शिप को हिंदी में जहाज कहते हैं. इसमें लोगों और सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाया जाता है. शार्क, sh-a-r-k, शार्क. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Shark is a big fish. It has very sharp teeth. शार्क के दो पावरफुल टेल फिन्स होते हैं जो विंग्स की तरह लगते हैं. शार्क को साइलेंट किलर भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि यह बिना आवाज किए अचानक से अटैक करती है. शेल, sh-e-l, शेल. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Shell is a hard protective outer layer created by animals that live in the sea. सी में रहने वाले एनिमल्स अपने आसपास एक हार्ड आउटर लेयर बनाते हैं जिसे शेल कहते हैं. शेल एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. शर्ट, S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Shirt is a garment for the upper body made of cotton or a similar fabric. It has collar, sleeves and buttons. Shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Shoe is an item of footwear to protect and give comfort to the foot. Shoe is mostly made up of leather, foam, rubber and synthetic material.
Now you have learned to read SH words. Let's write them in the notebook.
Today's date is 18/8/18.9.2020. Now we have to leave two finger space and write SH. S H. Now leave one finger space and write words.
W O R D S. Words. Now we have to draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. First word is ship. Sh-E-P, ship. First we have to write S. For writing S, first we will make C curve and reverse C curve between blue lines. For H, we have to make a standing line from red line till second blue line, go up till first blue line and come down to second blue line. For I, standing line between two blue lines and a dot. For P, standing line from first blue line to red line, go up till first blue line and make a curve till second blue line. S, H, I, P, ship. Ship is a large boat which is used for traveling on water. Now next word. Next word is shark. Sh-A-R-K, shark. First we have to write S, C curve and reverse C curve. Then H, standing line, go up, touch the blue line and come down till second blue line. Then A, C curve, go up, make a standing line between blue lines. Then R, standing line, go up, make a slight curve. For K, first we have to make a standing line till second blue line. Then from the middle, we have to make a slanting line, leave some space and make another slanting line which will touch the second blue line. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Shark is a big fish. It has very sharp teeth. Now, next word. Next word is shell. Shell. Sh-E-L. Shell. First we have to make S. C curve, reverse C curve. Then for H, standing line, go up, make a curve and come to second blue line. For E, slanting line, make a curve and touch the second blue line. For L, standing line. Again for L, standing line from red to second blue line. Shell. S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Shell is a hard protective outer layer created by animals that live in the sea. Now next word is shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. First we have to write S. C curve, reverse C curve between blue lines. Then for H, standing line, go up, touch the blue line and come to second blue line. For I, standing line between blue lines, a small dot. For R, standing line between blue lines, go up and make a curve touching first blue line. For T, we have to start little below this red line. We have to go down and make a curve on second blue line. Then a small sleeping line. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. Shirt is a garment for the upper body made of cotton or a similar fabric. Now next word is shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe. For writing shoe, first we have to make S, C curve and reverse C curve. Then H, standing line, go up, make a curve and come down. Then for O, we have to make a circle between blue lines. Then E, slanting line, go up, make a curve and come down. S-H-I-R-T, O-E, shoe. Shoe is an item of footwear to protect and give comfort to the foot. Let's revise all the words once again. First word is ship. Sh-E-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Next is shark. Sh-R-K, shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Then shell. Sh-E-L, shell. S-H-E-L-L, shell. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Then shoe. S-H-O-E, shoe.
Children, now you have to write same set of SH words in the remaining columns.
Keep practicing SH words. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.